A quick tutorial on the English preposition of. Of is a very common and useful preposition in English. It is used to express relationships between nouns, pronouns, and phrases. One way that of is used is to show possession or relationship. For example, you can say the wings of the plane to show that the wings belong to the plane.
The wing of the plane seemed to touch the clouds.
Or you can say the President of the United States to indicate that the President is the leader of the United States.
The President of the United States delivered a speech at the United Nations.
We say a friend of mine. Of mine shows that the friend belongs to the speaker.
I saw an old friend of mine at the reunion. I was so happy to see him.
Ofs can also be used to express a part-whole relationship. For example, you can say a slice of bread to show that the slice is part of a larger whole, which is the loaf.
May I have another slice of your delicious banana bread?
Or you can say a piece of paper to indicate that the piece is part of a larger collection of paper.
Can I have a blank piece of paper? I have an idea and I want to write it down before I forget.
A piece of pizza to show that the piece is part of a whole pizza.
Terry ate 5 pieces of pizza for dinner. He must have been hungry.
When of shows that somebody or something belongs to a larger group, we often use it with words like some, a few, etc. You can say some of my friends. This indicates a few people that are part of a larger group of friends.
If you come to the barbecue, you can meet some of my friends from work.
In addition to possession and part-whole relationships, of can also be used to express origin or source. For example, you can say a product of Japan to indicate that the product comes from Japan.
I only buy soy sauce if the bottle says, product of Japan.
We can also say made of or made out of to show the source material of a thing.
The body and head of the elephant were carved out of one solid piece of wood.
There are some other ways that of can be used in English, but I hope that this video is a great start for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.